Let's make a thumbnail. Never mind.
It's Lisa, it's Lisa, it's Lisa Danielle. Something like that.
What's up, world? It's your girl Lisa D, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and click that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video or whatever. So today I'm back with a sneaker, a sneaker half unboxing. You can already see what I have here to unbox because I got them from the outlet, so there's no lid. So it's not even an unboxing, it's a half unboxing or whatever. I have been dying to get my hands on the Puma RSX line. I tried them on at, I think like Finish Line or DTLR or something, and they were the absolute most comfortable sneakers I have ever put on my feet. Don't at me. More comfortable than Yeezys, more comfortable than Nikes, more comfortable than Crocs, slippers, all of that. I went to the Nike outlet because I was looking for a specific pair of shoes to custom, and I was like, you know what, let me slip into the Puma outlet real quick. Let me just slip in there real quick. Went into the Puma outlet, went to the clearance section, and there they were. My shoes, but better than my shoes. My favorite childhood toy mixed with my shoes. So as soon as I picked them up, this dude came behind me. He was like, you getting those? And immediately I was like, duh, yeah, I'm getting them. Go away, go away. He followed me around the store. But of course I didn't put them down. So y'all, by the time I got to the register, mind you, they were in clearance. They rang up $42. $42. I win. God loves me more. This is what the box looks like minus the top. Has the Hot Wheels logo on the side. It's like black and white. It's not much to show you with the box because again, I don't have a top. So these are the Puma RSX Hot Wheels. I'm so excited. I'm so pumped. These are the exact same shoe as the regular Puma RSX with the hits of neon colors in them or whatever. Super cute. Love those still. But these are my childhood. What I probably love most about it is the colorway. It is a more wearable colorway than the RSX, like the regular RSX Toys ones that I wanted to get. It is made of a couple of different materials. You have really soft leather on the upper, some mesh, but it's all super soft materials, and I really love the colorway. This blue with the hits of gold. The shoelaces are black rope laces with specks of gold in them, which I think is super fire. On the back, you've got this little pull tab spoiler thingy. It definitely has a race car vibe. On the very back of the sole, you have the Hot Wheels logo in gold, which I think is beautiful. And the best part of this shoe is the bottom. You have this translucent sole with the Hot Wheels logo at the bottom, which is a fire. It's fire flames. If you haven't tried this shoe on, go try this shoe on. I recommend you try it on. Your life will be changed. It is so super duper comfortable. I think this pair came out in November and it retails for, I believe, anywhere between $110 and $130. I feel like I've seen it $130 in a couple of places. I'll link it down below because it is still available. I don't think this sold out at all, but this is the best dad shoe of the past like 3 years of dad shoes, because you're getting this like 90s vibe with the bomb colorway, with the comfort. Oh yeah, and it is also Hot Wheels 50th anniversary. Well, 2018 was its 50th anniversary because I think they released the first like Hot Wheels car in like 1968 or something like that. The Hot Wheels version did release in 2 additional colorways, and this one is the Bone Shaker car colorway. There is also a Camaro colorway that has hits of like orange and red, and then there's another colorway that is very similar to this one, but it has a little bit orange in it, so I'm not really sure what that's about. But I give this sneaker a 10 out of 10. Live your life. Live your life. That's all I have for you today. Super sweet and to the point. Puma for the win. Puma outlet for the win. God for the win. We winning. Don't forget to check out my other videos if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.